Welcome back to Section 2. I am Rimi, your host. In Section 1, we learned how to say our names. We learned, my name is, and I am. But before we say our names, we usually greet the person. Greeting means saying hello. There are many ways to say hello in English. Some ways are formal. We use them with teachers, bosses, or people we do not know. Some ways are informal. We use them with friends, family, and classmates. Let us look at the most common formal greetings. They change based on the time of the day. In the morning, from the time you wake up until 12 p.m., we say good morning. Let us repeat that slowly. Good morning. Good morning. Imagine the sun is rising. You see your teacher, you say, good morning. Let us practice. Repeat after me. Good morning. After 12 p.m. Until the evening, around 5 p.m., the sun is high. We do not say good morning anymore. We say good afternoon. Let. US break it down. After. Noon, afternoon. Good. Afternoon. Repeat after me. Good afternoon. Then, after 5 p.m. When the sun goes down and it becomes dark, we say good evening. Listen carefully. It is not good night. We do not say good night when we meet someone. We say good night only when we leave or go to sleep. When we meet someone at night, we say good evening. Let us repeat. Good evening. Good evening. Now let us practice the informal greetings. These are very friendly and easy. You can say hi, or you can say hello, or you can say hey. Hey is very casual. Use it with your close friends. Let us repeat them. Hi, hello, hey. Now, let us combine the greeting with your name. This makes a full sentence. Example E. Good morning. My name is Rimi. Example 2. Hi, I am Rimi. Example 3. Good evening. My name is Rimi. Let us practice. I will give you a time of day, and you will say the greeting and your name. Morning. Go. Good morning. My name is Evening. Go. Good evening. My name is Casual Friend. Go. Hi. I am Beautiful. You are getting better and better. Another question people ask after saying hello is, how are you? They want to know if you are happy, sad, or tired. The question is, how are you? Repeat after me. How are you? As a beginner, you can answer in very simple ways. I am fine. Thank you. I am good, thanks. I am great. Let us practice these answers. Repeat after me. I am fine, thank you. I am good, thanks. I am great. Let us put the greeting, the name, and the question together. Listen to me. Good morning. My name is Rimi. How are you? The other person says, hello, Rimi. I am good, thank you. What is your name? This is how we build a bridge of words between two people. You're doing a wonderful job. Practice these greetings today with anyone you meet. This is the end of Section 2. Take a deep breath. Relax your shoulders. Get ready for Section 3.